Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to cover how add or modify embedded help article. And our agenda is how to enable or disable the embedded help articles, how to add or modify the help articles, what are the limitations when creating the help articles. Let's get started. Log into your personal development instance. The embedded help is active by default on your instance. We can navigate to embedded help by clicking on the help icon, and it displays the articles if there are any articles associated with this UI page. If we want to disable this embedded help or embedded help plane, we can disable by going to the filter navigation and type embedded. Under embedded help application, you can see these properties. Click on properties. And we can see this active status as embedded help set to false to disable embedded help. By unchecking this, we can disable this embedded. Click on save. And once this properties is updated, then reload this page. Reload this page. After reloading this page, click on help icon. So then it won't show you the embedded help plane. Show only the user guide and such product documentation. So in that way, we can disable the embedded help if it is not required. So again, to activate, click on select the active, select the checkbox and save the properties. Once the properties are updated, again reload the form. Now click on the help icon. It displays the embedded help article. In that way, we can disable or enable the embedded help articles or embedded help plan. Now we will see how to modify the existing help articles or modify the base system help articles. Now we will find some base system article and edit it how it looks. Now go to any UI page which has article associated with you with that. For example, I'm going to the maintain items, click on maintain items. Here we have some help article from or any we have here we have help article associated with this UI page. So you can see. For example, I want to remove this top line and save it. So let's see how I can do it. You can edit this article by clicking on three dots and you can see the edit help article. Or or you can go to embedded help articles, help content, click on help content, and search the article name. If you know the article name or UI page on which the article is associated, you can search the article and you can edit it. For example, the name of the embedded help is this one, and I search with that name, and I can open this article from the embedded help list also. There are two ways which I can open the help article from edit help articles and from the embedded help list view. So for example, um, this is the ServiceNow help. You can see this checkbox is checked. That means this is the base system help article. I cannot edit it. This one. For example, if you try to edit it, for example, if I remove this one, uh, I remove this, I remove this line and try to update, and it throws me an error that cannot update when ServiceNow help is checked. Embedded help record can be deactivated. For example, if I want to deactivate this, I can deactivate it. I can enable, I can deactivate the ServiceNow help article, but I cannot modify it, or but I cannot update the ServiceNow help articles. So if we want to update ServiceNow help articles, you need to click on copy, and edit this one. Okay, the first line is already removed. If the first line is already removed, and for example, I can remove this one also. Like a catalog item can be a good price or something that I can remove that one, and um, I can save. I can save. So this is a customized one. I created one, and the service now help is unchecked. Okay. So now go to the maintain items. Go to the maintain item. Check the help article. It is still showing the out of the box one. Now reload the home page. Now it is reflected. Now you can see the updated one. Okay. Now let's go back to embedded list view. Embedded list view, help content, and fetch the article or fetch the help article. You will see two help articles. Okay, one it is out of the box one, and other one it is which one it is ServiceNow help one, other is which we created newly. So if we created newly, it will override the ServiceNow help one. That means ServiceNow help one, which is out of the box, it won't show in the help articles. It will show only the one which we modify or which we created. To edit the ServiceNow help article, you need to copy that article and edit the help article to reflect into the UI page. Now we will see how to create a new help article. Before writing custom embedded help, plan the content and note the information used in the embedded help form. Careful planning ensures that the topic appears for the right page and the role. Each UI page can display embedded help. So we can create embedded help for each UI page, or whatever the UI page you need the embedded help, we can create the embedded help. Let's see how to create a new embedded help. For example, I want to create an embedded help for the incident list. Let me go to incident list, incident all. Here, here there is no help article associated with this UI page. So now we will create an embedded help for the incident list view. There are two ways to create embedded help. One it is go, go to the help content, click new. From here you can create an embedded help. Okay. So you name whatever you want. The page. What is this page? And this is important. So on which page you want to create an embedded help, you need to copy the page and paste here. So how to identify the page? For example, in the incident list, what is the page? The page is like incident underscore list. Is the page. If I open the incidents in the next tab, so I can get the uh, incident underscore list is the page. So copy this one and paste here. And whatever the name you want to show, for example, test or incident help. Okay. So mode, which mode you want to select, like normal mode or guided setup mode. What is normal mode? What is guided setup mode? Normal mode means when you click incident list from incident module, that is called normal. Or when you click list of incidents from the guided setup, like ITSM guided setup or something else. Okay, ITSM guided setup, or if you created any guided setup from there, if you want to open the list of incidents, that is called a guided setup. Guided setup. I can show you example. For example, what is normal mode and what is a guided setup is. For example, if you go to maintain items. Uh, Here you have the, for example, not from this view, click on the same panel where the help icon shows. Here you can, um, if you click, here you will display the help articles like service catalog item. Note down this one. It's like if something can be ordered by itself. This is the help article. It is associated with this page from the normal mode. Okay. Let me go to ITSM setup guide. Okay, let me go to ITSM setup guide and close this help icon. Continue. Where is, let me find catalog. Okay, get started. Catalog items. Click on configure. Now you will get a different now you will get a different help articles. This is starting with catalog items or good and service. So on the same page, when you click from ITSM setup guide, it is showing you different help articles. Or when you are directly going from the module, like normal mode, it is showing different articles. We click on back to setup guide, go back to your home page and refresh it. Okay. In that way, that is called normal mode or guided setup mode. Okay, for now, I will create a normal a role. To which users, like for which role users you need to show this article. Okay, I don't want anything here, so all the users can see it. Okay, active or active. That means you can disable or you can enable. Okay, qualifier. What is qualifier and when we will use this qualifier? For example, go to the incident list, incident. So you have open incident and all incidents, resolved incidents. For example, in the open incidents, the page is incident underscore list. In the all incidents, the page is incident underscore list. Okay. And in the resolved incidents, the page is incident underscore list. So, so in three cases, in three different views, the page is same. So if the page is same and you have multiple views or multiple filters, then we can use qualifier. Okay, we can call as qualifier like script include or something, or we are calling script include in different business rule, right? The same way, the qualifier we can call the same qualifiers. We can create different qualifiers, and we can add in the embedded help articles. Okay, I will show the example later. Okay. Next, versions. So for which version it is applicable, like for Sandiego or for Rome or for Quebec or for all the versions of the service now. Okay. So if you want to display this article for all the versions of service now, you can display it. You can select as all. ServiceNow help. This is a ServiceNow help is a checkbox and it is grayed out and it will be checked when the article is created by ServiceNow itself. Those articles we call as base system articles. Okay, now we are creating a new article that is called customized article. So we don't have, uh, we are not allowed to check this box. And the content. So the content is like whatever you want to show to the users about. For example, if you want to have a help article under active users, active incident list, okay, you can create an help article saying that, okay, all these incidents are related to active incidents. You can filter out or you can group by priority or something else you can add into content or something else you can add into the content or whatever uh, you need to show to the users. For example, let me add uh, test incident. Okay, let me add test incidents as a simple content. Okay, not an. I'm not creating any huge articles now. So to show you this, I added like a test incidents. Okay, and submit it. So go to back to your home page, reload it, and now once you reload, you can see the question mark help icon is populated with three dots. That means the help article is associated with this page. Click on help icon, and you can see the test incidents. Yeah, that's great. In all, it will apply the same article will be applied for all the views. For example, let me close all these tabs. Let me close all these tabs. For example, if I go to incident, open incidents, okay, open incidents you have, okay. All incidents, for all incidents also you will have same thing. And for resolved incidents all the same, you have same thing, okay. So for everything, it is same article it will display. Okay. If you have different articles for different views, you can create different articles. And as I said earlier, you need to use qualifier. Okay. I will explain you in some time. Okay. For example, to edit this article, you can click on the three dots and click on edit help articles. Okay. So it will open your help embedded help articles, or you can find the help articles in the help content. You can search with the name called incident test help, and you will find it. So in that way, or you can edit articles, or you can create a new articles. For example, if you are, let me delete this article. Mm, Let me delete this article. Delete it. Delete. Okay. If you want to create a new article, you can create via incident, um, open incident, and you can create from here also. Add help article. If you have article and you know the UI page to which it is associated with, you can directly go to the UI page, and from UI page you can create an article by clicking on add help article. So it automatically picks like name, it will pick, and page it will pick mode, all these things it will pick. And just you need to add the content. Okay, just you need to add the content. That's about how to create an article or how to modify the article. Qualifier. How to create qualifiers, how to use those qualifiers in the embedded help articles. For example, I want to create embedded help articles for closed incidents, for open incidents, or for resolved incidents. Okay. For, for example, Okay, now I want to create an help article for active incidents. Click on help icon, click on add help article. The name and the page, everything is picked automatically. For example, incident underscore list normal. I will create like incident underscore list icon open. Okay, open. I will add incident, open incidents, open incidents. I will save it. So this article should be visible when I click on open incidents. Okay. So for that we need to create a qualifier. Added help module. You can see the help qualifiers. Okay. Go to the help qualifiers. Click on new. So what is the path here? The path is same as the page. Okay. So both page and path should be same. What is query params and what is fragment? Okay, if we have some query, for example, incidents open incident, that means active is true. Okay, so active is equal to true. If I have query params, fragment is not necessary. If you have any string params or something long params, you can enter fragment. Okay, what is qualifier? Qualifier, I can give any names like it is the name of the qualifier, nothing but okay. Incident okay, underscore open and save it. Copy this qualifier and give it in qualifier in the help articles qualifier and save it. Now, if you go back, if you go to incidents, open incidents, you can see open incidents. Okay. If you go to resolved, there is no help article for this one because we created only for open incidents. For example, if you want to create for resolved incident, then same way, create a click on add help article, create like a incident list, resolved, okay, incident list, resolved incident, okay, and save it. Then go back to this embedded help qualifier, okay, click new, again enter the path, same as incident underscore list, on query params. This time we will enter some different query params. Like for example, if I go to the incident resolve and the incidents, click resolve in the new tab. So this, I want to give this query like sysparam reference module. This also we can do as a query. Just for an example, I'm showing this one. You can add state is equal to 6 also you can add. Or I'm giving this as an query param. And qualified like incident underscore resolve, resolve, copy this one and save it. Go to the incident list hyphen resolved article and paste the qualifier and save it. Now go to home page and reload it. Now you can see the resolved incidents article. For example, if I go to incidents, and click on Open Incidents. I can see the open incidents. If I click on Resolved, I can see the resolved incident. In that way, you can create multiple articles for same UI page, okay, based on the queries, the help of qualifiers. Okay. Limitations. When you write content for your users, keep the following limitations in the mind. What are the limitations? First one, you cannot include images in embedded help content. Second, to embed videos, you must quote the video information in the source code. Video content from YouTube and uh, Vimeo are supported. To add a related information link, you must use a full URL, not a relative URL. So these are the three main limitations while creating the content for your users. That's it. This is about how to add or modify uh, embedded help articles. Please do subscribe to get alerts for upcoming videos. Hope you will enjoy and learn ServiceNow. Thank you very much for your time.